Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have an extra video. Today we are going to cook oatmeal for our dogs. Yay! Okay guys, we are gonna need a heat resistant bowl, raw oatmeal, the one that's cooked quickly in 1 minute, cinnamon powder, milk, lactose-free and low-fat, and boiling water. I'm going to be adding the oatmeal to the bowl and then the cinnamon, and now I'm going to add the water and we are going to mix everything together. Cover and let stand for 1 minute. Guys, I'm gonna be adding the milk to the end, okay? So let's set aside. Guys, if you are asking what kind of oatmeal I'm using, this is the brand. If you can see, the oatmeal is cooked and the water has been reduced. So let's rest just a little bit more. If you want, add a little bit of organic and raw honey or agave. It's completely optional. So we have the oatmeal ready. If you follow me on my social media, you know sometimes I'm use this spoon to feed to my dog because this kind of meals, it gets dirty very fast on my dog's face. And she's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has own videos every Saturdays and she stays with me every Wednesdays in my recipes that I'm bringing to you. And today, remember, is an extra video and I hope you like it. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notifications when we have a new videos, thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. See you next time. Bye bye.